Hello everyone, this is my channel A Vlog of NVK. In this video, I'm showing you how I am creating this snaky green eyeliner. And first I'm making my base. And then I'm using a light brown eyeshadow. Just applying my outer corners of my eyelid. Then I'm taking a Seagreen eyeshadow. Just applying on my inner corners of my eye. Don't blend. Make your inner corner side darker with a pigment. And then I'm using the dark green shade and applying on my very corner of my eye, not the all over. And then I'm taking black eyeshadow. Now I'm taking a white glitter eyeshadow. Curler, mascara and eyeliner. Yes.